Today's video is going to be about how to improve your cue control, shot selection, and angle recognition. I think those areas are really important if you want to make bigger breaks. So if you're interested on this topic, let's go into the video. You start with this red, you make position for the black, then you make position for the second red, third red, and finish with the fourth red. So basically 32-point break or 8 balls. And basically your task is to keep correct angles for the next shots. This is how it looks like. You put everything on one line, just below pink ball spot and just above black ball spot, to be clear. Okay, let's start with the drill. First red over there. So my task is gonna play stop shot or slide screw back and put cue ball over there so I could play black ball off the cushion and make position for the second red. So I don't want to be on this shot specifically straight. I want to be slightly above the black ball area, high black. And now I have perfect angle for the black. And basically after the shot, I don't want to be here. I want to be straight or slightly higher. Also not to be too high, just around. This is a perfect sweet spot, okay? So when I play this specific shot, I play around the center, touch of left, minimum, not a lot, touch of left, so I could maintain cue ball to the correct position over there, you know. And now I have red, and now I want to make position for this red over there. So the most important thing here is to make sure that you have a high black. Or if you don't want to play from this part of the table, you can play the same shot and keep the cue ball around here, high black. So I'm just gonna use just topspin, no side. It depends on this table. On this table you don't need to use side, on maybe older cloth, a bit right hand side. And make sure that you have a high black. And from there, I want to keep cue ball here. So I could drop in the black, again make high black, sorry, drop in for the black and make high black, and then make position over there. So I'm just gonna try to make sure the cue ball is around this area, not here, just around here. And just about sweet spot. Now let's check the angle. Here is a tricky shot where many players are messing up. They leave yourself too high on the black or too low on the black. So when you play this specific shot, I'm gonna use cushion and I'm gonna play around the center touch of right hand side so the cue ball went it a bit higher black ball spot. Not here, but around here. So aiming around the center, touch of right. And you see about the importance of keeping correct angle. I just gave you example what not to do. So when I repeat the shot, I learned what in this angle, I need to aim a little bit lower. So I was aiming around the center and touch of right. Now I'm gonna change the height on cue ball. So half of the tip lower and watch the result. Completely different result. So by changing the height on cue ball, you can have a different result, and that's how to make feedback for yourself. So when you make a mistake, repeat the shot 3 times in a row and try to get spot and good position. That's why you're gonna learn better. So back to the routine. I have the last red and I just want to make position for the correct angle here, and I will try to repeat the cycle again. So I just have to make sure that I'm not here, but around this area here. So touch of right. And made myself a correct angle. So beginner players, good goal is to make 1 circle. If you are an intermediate player, try to make 2 or 3 circles in a row. You can repeat the cycle playing this shot and making position for the black, and just try to repeat the same cycle. After the black, you make again position over there. Or you can start with the red and go reverse the clockwise. So I'm just gonna play for the red and just gonna drop in softly. And now to finish the cycle, I have to put black and make position for this red over there. Around the center, touch of left, put the ball. And if you want, repeat the cycle. For the beginner players, you can do one cycle. For the intermediate players, you can do 2 free cycles. And for those who are advanced, you can do clockwise or against clockwise to challenge yourself. So this is a wonderful drill because of numerous reasons. It improves your cue ball control, it improves your shot selection, and it improves your angle recognition, height on cue ball, everything what you need to know to improve cue ball control so you can make bigger breaks and make the game as simple as possible. Make sure to subscribe it, hit notification to see more videos like this, and let me know in the comments what do you want to see next, because that's important for me so I create quality videos for you. Take care, see you next time.